Hey, Sean, and welcome back to my chat. Today, I'm talking about why you might be splashing your cash on some cool kicks or why you can't resist the latest tech gadget. Trust me, it's not just because they're cool, it's more about feelings, states, and identities. It's all about feelings and how you make people feel. When you buy something, you're not just buying that thing, you're buying a feeling, you're buying a state, you're buying an identity. Think about it. Get a little bit deep. Here are the six human needs that drive people to click that buy now button when they're shopping online. Reason number one, certainty. We all crave some comfort and predictability, right? Second reason, variety. What would life be without variety? It would be boring without a little bit of surprise. Three, significance. Who doesn't want to feel unique, special, and valuable? Four, a connection and love. We all need to feel connected, loved, and a part of something bigger. Five will be growth. We're always looking to level up, whether it's our skills, our knowledge, or even our Fortnite stats. Six, contribution. Lastly, we all want to give back and make a positive impact on the world, or just help out our friends, right, in our family. Out of all that, significance is the golden ticket. People will pay more to feel significant. Think about it. The VIP concert tickets, the brand name clothing, the newest iPhone. It's about feeling important, standing out, being the somebody in a world full of anybody's. But here's the secret sauce to winning big in this game. Whether it's your YouTube channel, your online store, or even your freelance gig if you do it, you've got to give more. You've got to add more value, make your viewers, your customers, your clients feel like they're getting more from you than they could get from anybody else. Sometimes adding value might mean even your prices. Crazy, right? But think about it. Sometimes a higher price can make something feel more exclusive, more premium. It's not about love. It's about offering something that's truly worth it. So if you're stuck in that cheapest price game, maybe it's time to think, aim for higher margin by meeting high human need. Remember, guys, it's not about the product. It's about the feeling, the states, identities. Make your mark by helping others feel significant, and you'll be sure to stand out. Think about that. Even if you're not selling anything, think about your personal life while you make purchases and the stuff that you buy and how does it make you feel. Think about it. Well, that's all I got for you today. I hope you found this video insightful. Don't forget to hit that like button, share it, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.